Christmas is upon us. See who is so excited for Christmas? Me. So welcome back to the channel. My name is Judith and this is my channel, Judith Effect. If you're a first timer here, thank you for stopping by to watch this video, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Okay guys, so definitely Christmas is upon us. Like we know, this is December and hopefully 25th is not far from now. Everyone is in high spirits of Christmas. Everyone is getting ready for one thing or the other, probably traveling to another country, going on vacation, buying new clothes, planning on what to cook. And of course, for me, is how to glow out our skin for this December. I'm more concerned about how we would glow out our skin, of course. So while we're in the process, let's make sure to also include our skin in all the process of celebrating Christmas, so that when we step out, our skin will do the talking. We don't need to do so much talking. So today I'll be talking mostly about top lotions you can use this season, because of course we know this season is a cold season, and because we'll be so busy with all our Christmas celebrations, with all the activities going on around us, we might not have so much time to pay attention to our skin or to know the kind of lotion or creams to use. And that is why I am here to give you a snippet, no, not to give you a snippet, to give you good top moisturizing lotions you can use for this period of activities. And if you're ready, I'm ready too. So the first one I'm going to be talking about, this is not the list, but and it's not the top as well, but I'm just naming one of the very good lotions you can use this period to glow out your skin, to keep your skin highly moisturized. And the first one I have on my list is Neutrogena body lotion. This Neutrogena body lotion has a 48-hour moisturizing effect on it. It actually moisturizes your body for as long as 48 hours, between 48 to 24 hours. The ingredient in it is actually subtle to the skin. It doesn't cause any irritation to the skin, but one thing I'm not really comfortable about it when I used it was that it's a bit greasy. Like it's not like it's sticky, but it's a bit greasy because of the highly moisturizing effects on it. It makes it a little bit greasy on your palms after you've used it all over your body, but on your body the moisturizing effect is so good and it leaves your skin hydrated for a very long period of time. It also leaves your skin soft, supple and highly moisturized. So if you're actually looking to buy a lotion this Christmas period, you could try out Neutrogena lotion if you have it within your reach. Of course, you can also order it online. And to pair it up, to make the moisturizing effect to be highly retained and to glow really well, you can also pair it with the Neutrogena body oil. It is also really good. You can use it if you're a dark skinned person or if you are chocolate skinned person or caramel. It really goes very well. Even if you're light skinned, this Neutrogena body oil is really good. Though for a long time I've not really seen it in the skincare market, but like I've always said, online have made a lot of things so easy now. So anything you can't get on the physical stores, you can always get them online. Okay, so you could pair it with the Neutrogena body oil or even Aveeno body oil if you could get it. Okay, so that is number one. And the second one on my list is this VASELINE brightening body lotion. So I have used this and I'm still using it. If you're looking to brighten your body this Christmas season and to also make sure your skin is glowing and you want to make your skin brighter, while it's brightening, it's also glowing and it's also moisturizing at the same time, baby, you can't go wrong with this. This VASELINE body lotion is the real deal. This is it. So I've actually made a review before about VASELINE body lotion. So I just got this in a store while I went to buy my body lotion, and I saw this brightening lotion. I've been using it for the past 2 weeks. Guys, you can look at my, just look at my skin. I've been using it for the past 2 weeks and I'm so happy I got this lotion. I have no regrets buying it. And as soon as I saw it in the shelf, luckily for me, it was almost gone. That's to show you how good this lotion is. It was almost gone, and I think this is the first time I'm actually seeing Vaseline brightening body lotion. I was really shocked when I saw it. I was like, okay, so long as it's coming from Vaseline, I don't think I'll go wrong with it. So I picked it, and I've been using it for the past 2 weeks, and baby, this lotion is the real deal. And guess what I'm pairing it with after I have used this lotion? I pair it with this Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. Yes, so you could see they're from the same brand. And so even though this one is highly moisturizing, I just like that extra glow. You know, I like going a bit extra with my skincare routine. So every time I use this, I go in to lock in moisture with this. This is the Vaseline Petroleum Jelly, and it's gone along like more than halfway, because this is what I've been using. Even before I bought this lotion, I've been using this Vaseline to top up after I've used my body lotion. So it just gives me the glow and the shine that I want, and it keeps my skin moisturized for the rest of the day until I'm ready to do my second shower for the night and all of that. Okay, so you must not actually be like me. You can either use the petroleum jelly, or you can use the Vaseline body oil. There's the Cocoa Radiant, and there's the Vaseline Vitamin B3 oil. It's also pink, and the Vaseline Cocoa is brown. That one, you can, a dark skin person can use it, but I used to use it before as well. When I got my hands on the Cocoa Radiant oil, I used it alongside my body lotion. It's good as well. It's really good, whether you're dark skinned or you're light skinned or you're caramel. It's really good. So you'd top it up with the oil, or like for me, I use this as an alternative to the body oil. So if you're like me that hardly gets oil, or you don't know what oil to use, go for Vaseline Petroleum Jelly after using your body cream. You won't regret it. You would really like it. And it can go for any body lotion, especially if you're even using a lotion that is highly brightening and probably you feel is giving you some reaction or is too strong for your body. Either you dilute it with rose water, or after using the lotion, just use this on top, like layer it on top of your skin. You will love it. So the next one on my list is the Nivea Radiant Body Lotion, or the Q10 Enzyme. This Q10 Enzyme here is actually for light skinned people, because why I say that is when I used it in the past, but since I started using Vaseline, it's like I'm just stuck with Vaseline lotion because it gives me what I want. But Nivea is also a good body lotion, and when I used the Nivea Q10 as this one here, it was really good. Like, it's good if you're light skinned. It helps to moisturize your skin. It also helps to lighten your skin, but it is a gradual process. Like, you see the result after some weeks. You begin to see the lightening effect of Q10 Enzyme. That's from Nivea. And also Nivea oil, I've not really seen Nivea oil. I think they should have, but like I said, pairing these lotions with oil this period, this season, is because it just helps to lock in moisture and to keep your skin glowing and highly hydrated. So I don't want to repeat myself again. So if you're going to use the lotion, the Nivea lotion, I have stated it already in this video. Either you go in after using the Nivea, you can layer it with Vaseline Petroleum Jelly, or you can buy a very good body oil in the market to top it up. Yeah, you can use any good body oil of your choice to layer the skin after you have used the Nivea Coenzyme Q10 Enzyme. Okay, and another good lotion that I would love to talk about, that for me is my number one, because a lot of people have talked about this lotion. A lot of people have actually it has actually gotten good reviews from many people, and I've heard even people close to me have used it and have attested to how good it is, and that is the La Roche-Posay body lotion. This is it. So this lotion is the real deal. I have not really gotten it in a physical store, probably because I've not really checked it out in the stores where it's sold, but I know people close to me who have used it. La Roche-Posay is a very good lotion. It's extremely hydrating. If you have a scale or a flaky skin, a skin that is really dry, a highly dry and sensitive skin, consider or try using La Roche-Posay. It is a very good lotion. It actually targets all those dry skin and all those scaly areas, all those rough edges like the elbows, the knees, and the heels of your feet. It actually helps in smoothing them out, softening them, and actually moisturizing them for a long period of time. The hydration of that lotion is as good as 24 hours, if not even 48 hours. It's really good. If you have not actually heard about La Roche-Posay, this is the picture here, okay? And it's a very good brand. Like, it has a brand, like different branded products on its own. It has the, I think, the serum, the sunscreen, the face cream, the wash, but what I'm talking about is the lotion. This particular lotion, La Roche-Posay body hydrating lotion, is the real deal, baby. If you use it, that is, especially if you have a very dry skin, extremely dry skin, if your skin is really dry and sensitive, consider using La Roche-Posay. You can always get it online. They have their own website as well, and you can check out their other brands. But even if you don't really care about their other products, the lotion itself is really good. So like I said, you can check it out online just in case you can't get it in a physical store. I think you can get it in particular store, like somewhere around here. You can get it around Boots, Super Drugs. I'm not so sure, but I'm sure that these products, you can always get them online. You can get them on Amazon. You can go to their website and then you will see their products, like any range of products you want. But this particular La Roche-Posay, it's really good. So this one, you might not really need to top it up with the body oil, but like I always love to top up my lotions with body oil, regardless of how well or how moisturizing that lotion is. I just like to make my body shine, make it look glossy, make it look glowing, moisturize, make it look healthy. Yeah, when you step out, your skin is looking healthy, you're comfortable, you're confident, you're happy about your look. And I mean, your skin is even happy for the person carrying it. So skin is happy that you are the person carrying it because it's looking all nice and all cool. Okay, guys, so these are the products that are my go-through for this December period, for this season, the winter season or the Hamattan season. If you really want to glow out your skin, try using any of these products I have mentioned in this video, and make sure you do the inward work as well. Remember to always drink lots of water, exercise yourself in one way or the other, any which way you can, and let your skin be grateful that you are carrying it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.